I want to compare. My name is Alana Delaju Madarikele. I want to compare the independent sample t-test on SPSS. I want to import my data from the Excel table. Okay, I will click OK. This is my data. My hypothesis states that there is no significant difference between mean score of male and female students in physics. I want to go to variable field to check my data. The gender, the first row is gender and the second one is score. The scale, the measurements of gender is nominal because it is a categorical variable, and the score is in scale because it has to do with a score. I want to go and label the gender. One will be male, I will click add, and 2 will be female. I will click add. I will now click OK. I will go back to the data variable to analyze my data. I will click on analyze. I will drag to compare needs and drag to independent sample t-test. I will put my score on test variable, and I will put my gender on grouping variable. I will define my grouping variable. 1 is male and 2 is female. I will click on continue. I will check the option whether the confidence interval percentage is as 95% and click continue. I will click OK to get the results. This is the results. I have 2 tables here. The first table is group statistics and the second table is independent samples test. Under group statistics, the number of participants is 10. The number of respondents is 10. I have 6 male and 4 female. And the mean score of male is 45. The mean score of female is 42. The standard deviation of male is 5.020 and the standard deviation of female is 7.182. Let's go to independent sample test table. The equal variances assumed is the aspects I want to look at, because the basic assumptions when running a 2 sample t-test is that the 2 independent populations are assumed to equal variances, and t-test this assumption learning test for equality of variances has been conducted, and p-value is 0.485 which indicates that the assumption of equality of the two variances is fulfilled. The degree of freedom is 8. Both of the tests have a p-value greater than 0.05. And I conclude that the mean score of male and female students in physics is equal. And my hypothesis stated before is hereby upheld, because the level of significance at 0.05 is smaller than the p-value results. Thank you.